Hello students, Sage Anandam. Today we have a video lecture on business communication. The topic is the 7 C's of effective business communication. Myself, Dr. Uday Kumar Gupta, Associate Professor, School of Management, Sage University, Bhopal. So the 7 C's of effective business communications are clear, concise, concrete, correct, consideration, courteous, and completeness. So the first one is the clear. So for the effective communication, we need to clear message, convey in the message in an easy to understand manner. It should be a short, simple sentences while speaking or writing. Complete clarity of thoughts and ideas enhance the meaning of message. And the clear message consists of exact and concrete words. Second one is concise. Concise means to be to the point without using a lot of words. Conciseness is a necessity for effective communication. It is both time saving as well as cost saving. It underlines and highlights the main message and it avoids using excessive and needless words. So message should be a concise. Concise message is more appealing and comprehensible to the audience. Next one is concrete. Concrete communication implies being particular and clear rather than fuzzy and general. So concreteness strengthens the confidence. Concrete message has the following features. It is supported with specific facts and figures. And it makes use of words that are very much clear and that build the reputation. Concrete messages are not misinterpreted. So we should very much specific and concrete the message. Correctness. It is very much important for the effective communication. Your information should be correct. Correct information implies that there is no grammatical errors in the communication. And the facts and figures should be very much accurate and correct. Correct communication has the following features. The message is exact, correct and well timed. Correct message has greater impact on the audience or readers. It checks for the accuracy of facts and figures used in message. So for the effective communication, we have to give the correct information, correct data to the audience or the readers. Next one is the consideration. Consideration implies the stepping into the shoes of others. We have to consider about the audience. Consideration is simply keeping in mind the audience requirement in view while formulating your message. Follow the you approach when you dealing with your audience. Consider their levels of education, interest, and mindset. So we have to consider the uh, education's interest, mindset, hobbies, likes, dislikes, and what the audience want from us. It should be very much consider for effective communication. Next is courtesy. It implies that the sender must take into consideration both the feelings and viewpoints of the receiver such that the message is positive and focused at the audience. Courteous message is positive and focused at the audience. It makes use of terms showing respect for the receivers of the message. And the last one is complete. The message should be complete. It must include all the relevant information as required by the audience. So the message should be complete means it gives the overall impact on the audience. What the audience is required, the message should be very much complete. It have all the information regarding the particular topic. The complete information gives answers to all the questions of the receivers and helps in better decision making by the recipient. A complete communication always gives additional information wherever required. It leaves no questions in the mind of receivers. It means what the receiver is required, all the information given in the communication. Complete communication develops and enhances reputation of the organization as well as the sender. So that is all about the 7 C's of communication. Thank you very much. Stay tuned and subscribe to Sage University Bhopal. Thank you very much. Sage Anandam.